Costa Rica, we have similar instrument, but we didn't develop like this. And something that impressed me was to see, to watch on the screen, a choir of these flutes or ocarinas or swing, because I never imagined that. I always see this instrument like for soloist, only one person playing, but looking in a choir or in another kind of music groups really impressed me.
咱们科勒马伊的熏呢，和咱们传统的还不太一样，咱们是紫砂制作的，而别的地区呢都是那个陶土，那个紫砂有透气性，而陶土呢它比较细腻，就他们的声音的反射音就更加那个强烈一些，而我们的反射音不大，但是呢优点是它更加的柔和了。
And the sound is really sweet. The sound is really how to say, calming. So you really enjoy the music with this instrument. I think it's really interesting that we have the three different kind of instruments. This one, the most high, and one of the features that for me is more interesting that you can use for other things, like massage in your face or your head.